Hello everybody, myself Suman from Krishna Pulse, Hyderabad. Today I bring you in front of you a very beautiful 13 pairs of gold hangings. Let us see each one. This is the first one, very designer piece, exclusive. Here is the golden South Sea pearl. This pearl is also very different, very rare to get. Each pearl it takes around 25 years to get this color. And on that we are given the antique finish. See the design, Nakshi design total. We are given the antique finish, very special piece. Let us see closely. This is purely in 22 carats gold with hallmarking, and in the downwards also we are given cap. Total inside is also gold, very premium quality pearl. And in this, gross weight is 17 grams and net gold is 14.6 grams. Around 86,000, very reasonable price, very unique piece you will get. And the second one is this is the hanging, just like jhumka, and the upside is one stud type is there. This is downwards is good hanging. Here is also we provided a big pearl. See the falling of this. Here we are used the sea jets. It gives the very fine quality sea jets and gives the good glittering. See closely once, see closely. Very beautiful piece. Just like one leaf type we are given upside stud. Sea jets we are used, not diamonds. Shandia type jhumka. This is all in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark. In this gross weight is 23.3 grams and net gold is 16.3 grams. Around price is around 1,20,000. And these are not the final prices. Please share your number to our WhatsApp number. Then we will give the best prices and related designs also we will show. And we have all over India free shipping is there, and international is also we have free shipping. But for international we have some conditions based on your bill payment. We have rules. And next third one you can see, very beautiful with cut rubies we are used here, and upside is with color stones, not ruby, color red stones we are used, pink color that is. This is just like small jhumka. Upside we are provided the stud on that sea jets, not we are used polkas, sea jet, very beautiful for small functions, occasions. And the jhumka also we are given very nice design. You can see how beautiful is there. Small functions for kids, very beautiful. You can wear daily also. In this gross weight is 20.2 grams and net gold is 11.8 grams. In the 11.8 grams, one is the very beautiful piece you will get. Big stud is there and small jhumka, beautiful. And inside also we are provided a big pearl, South Sea pearl we are provided. And that also we are given cap, and the cap also we are given designing. This is also in 22 carats gold with hallmark. In our company, on each piece hallmark is there. Not only one piece, on each single piece hallmark will be present. Next is the one of the beautiful hanging. See the falling of this, very beautiful with sea jets and natural freshwater pearls combination. See here we are using just like some flower design, on side also peacock type. Very beautiful, awesome piece. This is also in 22 carats gold. See the falling of this. This is made by our own designers. In this gross weight is 26.8 grams and net weight is 20 grams. Very beautiful piece. And these pieces are only one each only. So if anybody are interested, please WhatsApp immediately and get the special price also. If you want.
Shravani asking price.
And Namaste Shravani Madam Garandi. దీని ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసండి 1,43,000 అండి. ఇది అప్రాక్సిమేట్ ప్రైస్ అండి, గోల్డ్ రేట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంటుంది. మీరు ఇండివిజువల్గా మా నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేస్తే మీకు స్పెషల్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్తాం మేడం. చాలా బాగుంటుంది మేడం, ఇది ఫంక్షనల్ వేర్గా అయినా కొన్ని నైట్ ఈవినింగ్ డిన్నర్ పార్టీస్ అట్లా కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుందండి. చాలా ఈ వీడియో కంటే కూడా రియల్గా ఇంకా చాలా బాగుంటుంది చూస్తే. గుడ్ పీస్. నెక్స్ట్ పీస్ చూడండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ రూబీస్, అన్కట్ రూబీస్, అండ్ అప్సైడ్ వీఆర్ యూజ్డ్ ద కట్ స్టోన్స్ and sea jets. Generally jhumka means only one piece will present. Here two pieces are there. This is a new design, our designers will made this one. These are all made in our own manufacturing unit. See how beautiful is this closely. Totally studded in 22 carats gold with hallmarking. Hallmark will present on each piece. And back side is Mumbai screw. If you want Chennai screw or pushing, we will do the customize. And if you want not red stones, green stones or blue stones, we will replace it. Very beautiful piece. In this, gross weight is 9.6 grams, net weight is 6.1 grams. Approximate price is 46,000. Very reasonable price. It looks very nice. Less weight but looks very heavy jhumka. And next we will see one of the beautiful piece. Now these type are very hot moving in our stores with CJets and milky white pearls and onyx stones. Onyx capsule type stones. These are uncut stones, and CJets also we are use equivalent to the Swarovski stones. See here we are used very tiniest pearls, Kakamoti pearls. See the design. Our workers not compromise in the designing. See each and every pattern is very good. See the glitters of these stones. Very beautiful piece. In this gross weight is 28.6 grams, net weight is 11 grams, and approximate price is 93,000. This is the approximate price. In this also hallmark will present. You can see hallmarks are present on each and every piece. Here also Mumbai screw. And next we will see one of the other beautiful piece. This is in 22 grams of gross weight and net weight is 13.2 grams. Very beautiful hanging. Here we use the enamel work here. Enamel, pink color enamel work on in between. CJ is there. Beautiful hanging. This is entirely new design. Previously you are not seen, I hope. Here is emerald stones, uncut capsule type emerald stones. We used very light color emerald. And pulse also complete round pulse, small size, totally studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark. And we have free shipping all over India. See how beautiful is this hanger. These are all you can use functional wear and daily wear also. We are since from 1983 and we have multiple branches. One of the exclusive store present in Hotel Taj Krishna H level, and one of the store is in Old City, Pathargatti, our first store, and next is in our HICC, High-Tech International Convention Center.
Umesh Agarwal asking, what is the price of green Chandbali?
Namaste sir. This price is around 93,000 sir, approximate price, because gold rate is changes every day. That's why I am telling approximate price. You can share your number sir to our WhatsApp number. Immediately our team will give the response sir. Actual price they will give and give the special price also. If you want related designs also we will give. If you want to customize, we will do the customization also sir. If you want these are green stones, if you want red stones or blue stones, we will replace it. See sir, very beautiful piece this one. CJets also. See the clarity of the CJets also. Cut CJets, those are also.
Sonakshi madam, hello.
Namaste Sonakshi madam, hello Anni. Next piece you can see. This is also very newly came, yesterday only came. See, this is just like Navratan hanging. Generally Navratan studs you can see, but these are called as Navratan Jhumka. You can see here we used the 2 Jhumkas, but on the stud part we used the 9 gemstones. See how beautiful is this, closely you can see.
Sonakshi madam,
this is entirely new price. Namaste Sonakshi madam. This price I will tell 1 second. This is around 83,000 ma'am. In this total weight is 20.650 grams. Net weight is 10.5 grams. Around 83,000 ma'am. This is approximate price. Please share your number to our WhatsApp number. Then our team will give the immediate response ma'am. We have a big online team. They will react immediately. If you want some related designs also, they will show. Purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking. See the stones. These are all uncut stones and big size stones. Generally Navratan means we use only small stones, but here are 9 gemstones with big size. And next is one simple jhumka. You can wear daily wear or evening parties. See very beautiful CJets, milky white pearls, and here we used the 2 peacocks. And some design is there here also. Very beautiful hanging. This is a very fast moving item in our stores. See how beautiful is this. This is also started in 22 carats gold. This is around 12 grams gross weight. Net weight is 7.2 grams. Price is around 56,000. 56,000 is very reasonable price for this small hanging for young girls newly marriage couples also. It looks very nice. Very beautiful piece, this one. And next one is the exclusive piece of our stores. This is big jhumka chandelier type. You can see very beautiful jhumka. And that we are using the matte finish. We are provide the design, and the design we are provide the matte finish. Here also we are given gold balls. See the falling of the earrings. And here we are using the complete round pulse with 22 carats hallmark. Just this is matte finish. Some people, if you want a shining polish also, we will do. Here also we are using Chennai screw, Mumbai screw. If you want Chennai screw or pushing type also, we will provide. We will do the customize. See the here also stud we are provided.
Vijay Rekha madam price aru.
Namaste Vijay Rekha madam. In this gross weight is 27.135 grams and net weight is 24.5 grams ma'am. Heavy weight 25.5 grams is the net weight. Around 1,66,000 ma'am. This is 1,66,000. But only evergreen piece ma'am. Very beautiful for functions, especially for big functions, marriages. Like this is very beautiful. One piece is enough. One earring is enough. We'll definitely get the compliments when you wear this one.
Tanu Khan asking price.
Namaste Tanuka madam. This is 1,66,000 madam. 1,66,000. Around 27 grams is the gross weight. Net weight is 25 grams ma'am. Very beautiful piece ma'am. See once again. If you miss anything after the live session, this is saved in IGTV. You can see ma'am. And if you like anything, please take the snapshot and send to our WhatsApp number. Then you will get the best prices and weights of that and related designs also. If you want to customize your own design, also we will do. We have big manufacturing unit. We have plenty of workers and designers also. We will do. Next is one of the beautiful piece. See chandelier type. This is with red color stones, rubies. See the clarity of the rubies also. Very beautiful piece. See and the design also. Total gold shining we are used in that. Here also we are provide studs, and all the earrings maximum we are provide the studs, because now trend is going like the stud. Everybody wants the stud, not hook type. So this one, see the falling ma'am, one by one. In the downwards also we are using the gold cap. In the design we never compromise ma'am. That's why our Krishna Pulse is famous. We are since 1983. Very exclusive special pieces will present. In this gross weight is 32.6 grams, net weight is 30 grams. 30 grams is weight is there. Total big functions you can wear this one, very special for special occasions. It is very good looking one. And in this, if you want not red stones, we have green one also with blue one also. We have those are ready already available. So if you want in this blue one or green one, those stock is already available in our store. This price is approximately 1,71,000. 1,71,000. Very beautiful, complete occasional piece, total special piece. And next you can see very beautiful, just like Chandbali. We call it Chandbali. Chandbalis are very famous in Hyderabad because here previous kings are Nizams. They like Chandbalis very much. That's why here Chandbalis is one of the famous. Here we use C-jets, not polkis. For cast cutting C-jets we are using. Here we use the complete round pulse. In the pulse also we are using the graduation, smaller to bigger one, middle is the bigger one, starts from small to big one. And these pulse are not milky white, champagne color, very beautiful color. It reflects just like gold pulse. Here also we are using the cuts, gold caps we are using here. See, stud is there here with green stone we are using. In this, so many models are also there. This is not the only one piece. In this, small one, big one, also there. In this, gross weight is 23.5 grams. Net weight is 13.3 grams. And price is around 1,02,000. 1,02,000 is not the final price. We will do the very, very best deal. See, we have all over India free shipping, international also free shipping. If you are present in Hyderabad, our person will come and deliver personally. See, very beautiful piece. And next at the last we will see very, very beautiful piece. This special piece of our store. Big weight jhumka, this one. See, complete sea jets with green emeralds and champagne color South Sea pearls. Here we used milky white pearls, and in this jhumka is there. This is also started in purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking. In this gross weight is 65 grams, net weight is 33.5 grams, and price is approximately 2,75,000. This piece is worthful for 2,75,000. You can see. Very beautiful piece. One of the special piece designed by our designers especially for special big marriages, big functions. See, here jhumka is there, big stud. Here two types of hangings are there. Here big hanging. See, each one is around 30-35 grams. Very beautiful piece. 2,35,000. Grass weight is 65 grams. We are using tarbuja type green stones here.
Sonakshi madam, asking price.
Namaste Sonakshi madam. This is 2,75,000 ma'am. Approximate 2,75,000. We will do the very, very special price if you do individual WhatsApp. Once again, see our pieces, 13 pieces. Each one is different. Each one is single piece only available. If you want other related designs, you will get. See, this is with golden South Sea pearl, antique look. This is total milky white pearls with sea jets combination. This is ruby, cut rubies. This is a very special piece, and this is with complete white pearls, long hanging. And here we are using two jhumkas here with rubies. If you want in this green or blue, available. And next is Chandbali, very specialty of Hyderabad is the Chandbalis. Plenty of collections are there. Newly came so many collections in this. If you want small one, big one. And next is simple traditional. The Hindu traditional jhumkas is there, peacocks is there, ruby stone and there. Next, this is also newly came yesterday only. And the enamel we use a pink color. First time we are using the pink color. Generally all are used blue or black, but here we use pink color with emeralds, with premium quality emerald stones. Next is this is also newly came very Navratan hanging. Generally Navratans are present in only studs up to now, but this is came with jhumka first time. And next is big hanging for big functions, very, very special with matte finish, chandelier type design, very exclusive piece. Next, this is also one of the special piece. This design is available in blue, green also, with white pearls also available. These are with rubies, very, very special piece. And next is also Chandbali, very, very beautiful piece with the champagne color pearls, sea jets, equivalent to Swarovski quality. We are used red and green stones, very, very beautiful piece, this one. See. And if you want to visit our store, our Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, Hyderabad, near metro station. And our shop timings are morning 9 to evening 5 o'clock. Free shipping, we have free shipping all over India. If it is in Hyderabad, our person will personally come and deliver the product. We have international also free shipping, but some conditions are there. Our WhatsApp number is already present in Instagram and Facebook. Once again, I am telling 924803671. If you want to see more designs, visit our website www.krishnapearls.com. If you want to see our live programs and more designs videos, follow our Instagram and Facebook. This is up to date. This is only there. Thank you for giving an opportunity. Hoping you will like these 13 designs. Sign out soon.